So before we move towards this slide, I will ask one question in the previous slide. Farhan,
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by the effective communication? So what tools you use to be effective in your public speaking and communication?
So first let me explain what is effective communication. So basically, effective communication is a skill.
Very good.
We use it, we convey our message clearly.
Very good, mashallah.
Here it is the first step that we use to convey our message, and the listener understand our message.
Very good, mashallah. Matlab effective communication, Daniel, that your communication or the message you want to convey to other people must be concise. What? Concise. It must be short and it must be productive. Productive means that it will give a positive result. And through that sort of communications, you build relations with other people. Nuka khalaq tasara nas tapas takai, tasara taluk maintain sati. If he sits in your circle, he feels happiness. This is a signal that yes, you are effective communicator. Now this is what is communication. Communication mungwayusata. What is communication? Communication is an art. Communication as a tool, it's an art of word. So communication is an art of, it's an art of what? Art of speaking, matlab how you speak and how you convey your message, thought, facts, matlab to other peoples. And it's an art of what? Reading. How you read other people's. Reading doesn't mean you read a book. Reading doesn't mean you read a single text. Reading means how you read other people's. Reading means how you read other people's minds. Understood or not? Number third, it's the art of listening. No communication, that you just keep on talking to other people. No, communication also means how you listen to other people's. We don't listen to other people. Like for example, I'm talking to Daniel. Daniel sarabaza khabare koma. He has a cell phone in his hand. Last kiwe mobile ni wali. He play games with that ones, and I keep speaking for 2 or 3 minutes. Aw biache 3 minutes tirchi deba. Sari sadi huwe. Bia hota da sarana start ki. Listening is one of the main challenges this time. Khalaq waurina. Talak baruza. Almost zabatato sauki nanan kasansi kamni, they have cell phone and they play with that one. So when you have the power to listen to other people, power comes to you. Power comes to you. Communication as an art of, it's an art of writing. The communication doesn't mean you convey your idea through speaking. But you can communicate other people through writing. Through writing. You write a letter, you write an application, you write an essay. And there is message you want to convey to the other people. आप खत लिख देना, उसमें आप communicate करते हैं. अच्छा, communications का जो definition था, वो पहले किसने दिया था? Keith Davis. So Keith Davis initially, pehle, defined communications. And who will read the text? So effective communication as transfer of information. Aapki information jo hai, you transfer to other people. So it's a transfer of information and what? An understanding from one person to another.